This is the most strongest, potent herbal oil you can use to boost your hair growth. I hope you know by now that once your scalp or your follicles are not healthy, it can stop your hair from growing massively. I mean, it can stop your hair from growing the way it should be growing. A lot of people suffer from excessive shedding, breakage, alopecia, bald edges, and a whole lot of other scalp issues. In this video, I'll show you how to make this oil and also how to use it. I will also be telling you the benefits, the importance of this oil, and also every single ingredient. I will be telling you their benefits in this video. So guys, our first ingredient is the almighty rosemary. Studies have shown that this is one of the strongest herb for hair growth. Our second ingredient is clove. Clove is used by so many people. It is one popular herb that works massive wonders for hair growth. This is one viral herb, and once something is viral, know that it works. So guys, we will also be using aloe vera powder. Yes, this is our third ingredient. I will not be making use of fresh aloe vera. I'll be using the powder. Guys, the fourth ingredient is amla. Yes, I'll be making use of amla powder. Amla too is one strong herb for hair growth. Guys, our last ingredient is cinnamon. Cinnamon is also one popular herb used by so many, but it's not as popular as cloves and rosemary. So guys, this is what cinnamon stick looks like, but for this oil, I'll prefer you use the powder. Yes. So guys, I'll just go ahead to combine all these ingredients. I will measure them out in a bowl. So first, the rosemary, then the clove, then our cinnamon. Yes, just in very little quantity because I am just making a little batch of the oil. Yes. So this is the aloe vera powder. So guys, like I said, I'll making a small quantity. I'll just be working with 100 ml of oil. And guys, this is sunflower oil and grapeseed oil. Guys, these oils are lightweight oils. They can easily penetrate into the scalp. So please, when you're making yours, choose lightweight oils. Please don't use heavy oils like coconut oil or olive oil. No, please use lightweight oils. Yes, that would be good since we'll be using it on our scalp. So guys, I just turned all my ingredients into the oil and then into a pot of water. I will just put this rubber into it. And guys, this is the double boiler method. This is the double boiler method. You just allow this to boil and then allow the ingredients, the herbs, to infuse into the oil. So guys, I will be allowing this for about 20 minutes. 20 to 25 minutes. You can leave it for 30 minutes if you want. I want this to infuse properly, so I'll just allow this boil. So guys, this is it. This is what it looks like after 20 minutes. Yes, so I will just allow it cool down and then I just sieve. Yes, this is me sieving it out. Please do well to sieve properly because you wouldn't want the particles of the herbs on your scalp. No, most especially the rosemary. So guys, this is it after sieving. This is what it looks like. Can you see how dark this oil is? Yes, it looks so beautiful. This is amazing. This is all the goodness in one bottle, guys. I will move ahead to show you how to use this, how I use it. So first of all, hydration first. Don't just apply oil on your scalp or on your hair just like that. No. Please hydrate your hair first. And I will be working with my scalp. Yes, I'm applying this to my scalp. Guys, please, I just use this opportunity to show you all my secret ingredients. Like, this is my signature hair growth oil. Yes, it is. I actually ran out of the oil. That was why I just said, let me make a video to just show you all how I make this. So first, you hydrate your hair, guys. This spray is a rosemary spray. Yes, it's a rosemary spray. If you want to learn how to make this, I will put the link in the description box so you can see how you can make this. Yes, I have a video on it. But if you cannot get your hands on this, please use water. You can use water and it's just fine. There's nothing wrong in using water, since your oil already have a lot of amazing ingredients, I mean herbs in it, so you can just use water. So guys, make sure you massage your water or your spray into your scalp properly. Then now we will move ahead to use our oil. Yes, we will seal in moisture with this oil. As you can see, I am following each and every single line of my hair. And guys, please, for you to be able to see good results, I would want you all to please make protective styles. Make protective styles that will last you for about a month or two. Keep your protective styles for about a month or two. It is very, very important so that your hair stays away from over manipulation and you'll be able to see good result. You cannot make your hair today and you want to be losing it after 1 week. No, please don't do that at all. So guys, right now I'll quickly list out the benefits of these herbs to you. So guys, our first ingredient, rosemary, promotes hair growth by stimulating scalp circulation, acting as an anti-inflammatory and potentially DHT blocker. DHT is a hormone linked to hair loss. Our next ingredient, cloves. Clove is rich in eugenol, an antioxidant. It stimulates blood circulation to the scalp, which encourages hair follicle activities and promotes faster and thicker growth. The next ingredient, cinnamon. Cinnamon promotes hair growth by stimulating scalp circulation, which increases oxygen and nutrient delivery to the follicles. Next ingredient is amla. Amla is called Indian gooseberry. It promotes hair growth by strengthening the follicles, improving scalp circulation, and providing high levels of vitamin C, an antioxidant that reduces hair fall and prevents premature graying. So our last ingredient is aloe vera. Aloe vera promotes hair growth by nourishing the scalp, reducing dandruff, and hydrating hair strands with vitamin A, C, E, and B12. So these are the amazing benefits that these herbs give to your hair. Please guys, if you have any question, do well to ask me in the comment section. Please do not forget to massage your scalp after every application. Massage your scalp properly for about 5 minutes. If you have questions, ask me. I will be here to respond. If you're confused about anything, just ask me. Thank you for watching, guys. Stay tuned for more. Bye.